Here we go. We're late. 7:01, September 6th. All right, this is part 2 of a case we started last night. 6 remaining boxes of 2017 Tier 1 baseball. That one feels kind of heavy. There we go. All right, it's gonna go quick. Box 1. Good luck. Leading us off, the New York Mets. 3 out of 331, Syndergaard. There we go. Number to 25 for the Dodgers. Tier 1 autograph, Clayton Kershaw. Oakland A's to 300, Matt Olson. Rookie auto. Box 2. Is that a redemption? Nope. Number to 331 for the Nationals, Bryce Harper. Another Tier 1 autograph for the Mets. Yes, New York Mets, Mike Piazza. Phillies to 300, Roman Quinn, rookie auto. Box 3. Can't tell if this was the heavy one or not. Feels a little heavy. And it looks a little thick. What could it be? Let's take a peek. I think it's just 2 jersey relics. Tricked us. Red Sox to 331, Xander. Diamondbacks to 331, Goldschmidt. Kansas City Royals to 300, Danny Duffy. Boom, there he is. New York Yankees, Aaron Judge. We are 3 for 3 so far. Box 4. There's a redemption, right in the middle. Pinstripe, Pirate, McCutchen. Save the redemption. Who do we got in the back? Padres, Manny Margot, rookie auto. Oh, that's a good card. Clear 1 autograph, Chris Bryant. There you go, Cubs. Earned your keep tonight. 2 to go. My man, Frank Thomas. Jersey relic. 200. Red Sox, number to 65, Chris Sale. Twins to 300. Eddie Rosario. All right, last box. Screensaver kicked on. There we go. Feels a little thick as well. 2 relics. One of these days we're going to get a bat knob. Houston Astros to 331. Yulieski Gurriel. Cincinnati Reds to 331. Joey Votto. Oakland A's to 300. Jose Canseco. Last hit of the night goes to the Cardinals. Randall Grichuk. They just go too fast. All right, here's a recap for any latecomers. Half a case, 2017 Tier 1. The relics. We had Joey Votto for the Reds. Yulieski Gurriel, Houston Astros. The Big Hurt, Frank Thomas, Chicago White Sox. McCutchen for the Pirates. Goldschmidt, Diamondbacks. Xander for the Red Sox. Bryce Harper for the Nationals. And Syndergaard for the Mets. The autographs. Cardinals, Randall Grichuk. Oakland A's, Jose Canseco. Minnesota Twins, Eddie Rosario. Boston Red Sox, Chris Sale. One redemption, but it was a good one. You're due to receive a clear 1 autograph. Chris Bryant, Cubs. Padres, Manny Margot, rookie auto. Yankees, Aaron Judge, rookie auto. Kansas City Royals, Danny Duffy. Philadelphia Phillies, Roman Quinn, rookie auto. Tier 1 autograph for the Mets, Mike Piazza. Oakland A's, Matt Olson, rookie auto. And another Tier 1 auto. Number 25 for the Dodgers, Kershaw. That's all she wrote. I'm on the fence about moving the brain fart. On the fence about doing more Tier 1. What do you guys think? Still worth it? We'll try another case. There's not much else out right now. I think, what is it? Chrome comes out end of September. We can squeeze another one in. All right. I'll upload tonight. Those should ship fairly quickly. And I'll catch you next time. See you.